We have just acquired this very rare Citroen C crossover, 4-wheel drive. It's a bit of a beast. It's got some really chunky all-wheel drive tyres on there. Great for off-roading. It's not in bad condition. It's not our usual stock. We've took it in part exchange. It's a C crossover VTR plus diesel. Obviously the mileage is a bit high for us, but we've checked out it's okay. It's had the CAMBELT change. It's got a very good service history. That all-important CAMBELT change has been done. Lovely leather interior. Like I say, it's not our usual standard, but it isn't too bad. You've got the diff lock situation there. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.